300 years later, Earth no longer has the concept of nations and is uniformly governed by the United Nations. However, humans who colonized Mars early on gradually broke away from Earth's rule and established a regime on Mars. Another faction established an asteroid belt civilization in the outer regions. Although the three forces coexist peacefully on the surface, there are hidden undercurrents. Earth, as the strongest power among them, continuously exploits the other two sides, directly. Later on, the former richest man in the solar system, Pierre, colluded with the Martians to release a mysterious virus at the Eros space station, ultimately causing the deaths of 500,000 asteroid belt residents. This incident drew the attention of the three factions, prompting an investigation, and all evidence pointed to a large unregistered space station. So, the Horton team piloted the Roshi spaceship and rushed over. They belonged to a secret organization in the asteroid belt. Unexpectedly, as they approached the space station, they encountered a massive stealth warship, which launched 2 torpedoes. Although intercepted by orbital cannons, they also suffered a fierce attack from the opponent's close combat weapons, fortunately not hitting any vital parts. Under the skilled operation of the pilot, the Rosie ship hid in the central area of the space station. Subsequently, the Jasmine ship in the distance launched 2 boarding pods, preparing for a forced landing. Unexpectedly, a turret used for drifting asteroids instantly blew one of the boarding pods to pieces. Fortunately, the Rosie arrived in time to destroy the turret, ensuring the safety of the other invasion pod. Then, using agile maneuvers, it shot down the invisible warship at close range. Finally, the invasion pod successfully locked onto the space station. The team, after landing, they quickly discovered a laboratory inside. Several researchers were conducting some kind of remote research there. From the person in charge, they learned the true origin of the protomolecule virus. The giant meteorite carrying the protomolecule virus was launched into the solar system by some force, unexpectedly drawn by Saturn's immense gravity. Became the later Titan 9 satellite. Their actual target, however, was Earth, but the reason for taking this action, it remains unknown. The team also discovered through research that this virus can cause human evolution, even allowing humans to survive without oxygen. But before he could finish speaking, team member Miller suddenly broke in and killed the person in charge. As it turned out, his girlfriend died from the virus infection. After returning to the Dig Bone station, Miller was also stopped. The team, still in the laboratory, obtained a sealed virus sample. To avoid detection by other forces, they installed the sample on a torpedo and launched it into an abandoned asteroid mine. On another note, Earth and Mars, after a century of Cold War, used this virus leak incident as a catalyst to ignite an unprecedented war.